2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, insane power returns. 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Hellcat SUV 2025. Dodge Durango horsepower. Supercharged V8 SUV. Fastest 3-row SUV. Dodge SRT models. Durango towing capacity. Hellcat vs Trackhawk. The beast is back. Dodge has officially revived the Durango SRT Hellcat for 2025, and it's every bit the unhinged, high-performance SUV fans remember, and maybe even more. Packing a supercharged V8 punch and unmistakable muscle car attitude, the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is a 3-row family hauler with track day credentials. In a market increasingly focused on electrification and downsizing, Dodge doubles down on horsepower and attitude. Hellcat V8 lives on. Under the hood, the 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat roars to life with the same 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine that made the original a legend. Producing a staggering 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque, it's still the most powerful 3-row SUV on the market. That output rockets the 5,700-pound Durango from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, supercar territory for a vehicle that can carry 7 passengers. Power is routed through an 8-speed automatic transmission to a standard all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction whether you're blasting off the line or towing up to 8,700 pounds, best in class for any 3-row SUV. Bold and aggressive styling. Visually, the 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat is unmistakable. From its bulging hood with functional scoop and heat extractors, to the aggressive front fascia and wide stance, this SUV makes its intentions clear. Standard 20-inch alloy wheels, massive Brembo brakes, quad exhaust outlets, and Hellcat badging complete the menacing look. For 2025, Dodge has refreshed the front and rear lighting elements and introduced new paint options and stripe packages, giving the SUV a more modern aesthetic while maintaining its muscle-bound persona. Interior, performance meets comfort. Inside, the Hellcat treatment continues with sport seats wrapped in Nappa leather and suede, contrast stitching, and available Laguna leather upgrades. A 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen dominates the center console, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance telemetry via SRT performance pages. A digital instrument cluster, optional 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, heated and ventilated seats, and multiple USB-C ports ensure that comfort and technology keep pace with performance. Despite its wild power, the Durango remains a usable and luxurious family vehicle, with a third row to prove it. Safety and tech features. The Durango SRT Hellcat is equipped with a full suite of safety technologies including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. A surround view camera and front/rear parking sensors also come standard, helping drivers manage the SUV's size. Final thoughts. In a world rapidly moving toward EVs and efficiency, the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is an unapologetic throwback, a rolling celebration of American muscle. Whether it's the last hurrah for supercharged V8 SUVs or just another chapter in Dodge's high-horsepower playbook, one thing is clear: this Hellcat still bites.